Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Studies class. I hope you all are fine and fit. Chapter 1 Globe. So, last class we discussed about the globe. Today we shall learn about parallels of latitudes, meridians of longitude, locating a place, time zones, Indian Standard Time. Let us see one by one parallels of latitude. If you look at the globe, you will see many lines running parallel to the equator. Example, they are full circles. They run from east to west. They are numbered from the equator, which starts at 0 degree. The poles are 90 degree each. The north pole is marked as 90 degree north and the south pole as 90 degree south. They never meet one another as they are parallels. These lines are called the lines of latitudes or the parallels of latitudes. So, parallels of latitudes running parallel to the equator. So, they run from east to west. East to west. The poles are 90 degree each. So, look at these diagrams where it is the north pole, here it is there south pole, equator. So, the parallel of latitudes running from east to west. So, the north pole is marked as 90 degree north and the south pole is marked as 90 degree south. These two poles, north pole and south pole, never meet one another as they are parallel. These lines are called the lines of latitude or the parallels of latitudes. The equator is the longest of the parallels and thus is called great circle. See here, equator is there. So this is the longest of the parallels. So thus is called the great circle. So beside this, there are four important parallels are there. One is Tropic of Cancer 2300 of north and Tropic of Capricorn 2300 of south, Arctic Circle 66 and of north and Antarctic Circle 66 and of south. So these important parallels help in dividing the earth into various heat zones. Is it clear, students? Next, meridians of longitude. If you look at the globe, you will find semicircles joining the North Pole and the South Pole. The longitudes are 360 in number and all are equal in length. These lines are also called the meridians of longitude. So, this is the meridians of, look at this picture, meridians of longitude. So, these circles joining North Pole to South Pole. So, the longitudes are 360 in number and all longitudes are equal in lengthwise, all are equal. So, these lines are also called meridians of longitudes. In 1884, all the countries of the world decided that the meridian passing through the observatory at Greenwich near London in the United Kingdom would be taken as the starting line. It is marked as 0 degree. This is called the Greenwich or prime meridian. In 1884, in the world, all the countries decided that the meridian passing through the observatory. So, meridian passing through the observatory at Greenwich. Greenwich means a place where it is there near London. Near London. London is in the UK only. UK means United Kingdom. So, it's the starting line. Okay, so this prime meridian is marked as 0 degree. This prime meridian is called Greenwich also. Greenwich are the prime meridian where it is there. Here it is there prime meridian. It is marked as 0 degree. Is it clear, students? Okay, next, locating a place. To locate a place, we must know both its latitude and longitude because the point at which these two lines intersect each other will be the location of that place. If you want to locate a place on the globe, you must know both its latitude and longitudes. Okay, this latitude and longitudes lines intersect each other, that will be the location of that place. Okay, the meridian passing through Greenwich is marked as 0 degree. There are 180 longitude to the east of the prime meridian, and similarly there are 180 longitude to the west of the prime meridian. So total 360 meridian. The meridian is numbered as 0 degree and 180 joined to form full circle around the earth. They divide the earth into two equal parts named as the eastern and the western hemisphere. The meridians which are to the east of the prime meridian are marked as E degree and those to west as W. For example, India is located to the east of the prime meridian and the meridian of Jaipur is 75 degree east. So the meridian numbered as 0 degree. So total 180, they divide the earth into two equal parts. One is eastern hemisphere, another one is southern hemisphere, western hemisphere. So the meridians east of prime meridian is marked as E and those west W. Okay. The latitudes and the longitudes cross each other and form a network. This network is called grid. The grid helps us locating different places. So what is grid? The latitudes and the longitudes cross each other and form a network. This network is called grid. What is the use of grid? The grid helps us in locating different places. Already I told you, if you want to locate any place on the globe, you must be know at its latitude and longitudes. Okay, to form a network, that grid. Okay, that grid helps us in locating different places. Is it clear, students? Okay, let us go to the next. Time zones. A time zone is a division on the earth more or less bounded by 15 degree of longitude that has a uniform legally mandated standard time, usually referred to as the local time. Actually, each and every country have the local time. By convention, there are 24 main time zones on the earth. The time at 0 degree longitude is Greenwich Mean Time. GMT means what is that? Greenwich Mean Time. So to complete one rotation, the earth takes 24 hours from west to east. As you know, the complete one rotation, earth takes one full rotation, it takes 24 hours from west to east. During this rotation, each meridian passes under the direct rays of the sun. The another one is Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is the time observed throughout India. So we have the Indian Standard Time. Throughout India, everyone following same time, that is Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of 82.5 degree east longitude, which is just to west of the town of Mirzapur near Allahabad in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So we will follow this one only, Indian Standard Time. Okay, so that's all for today class. Just recapture the lessons today, whatever I thought. So the lines, what is the latitudes are parallels of latitude. The lines running parallel to the equator are called latitudes or parallels. The lines running from the North Pole to South Pole are called longitudes or meridians. The meridian passing through Greenwich near London is marked as starting line. This is called the prime meridian. So what is prime meridian? The meridian passing through Greenwich is marked as starting line. This is called the prime meridians. What is grid? How it is helpful? The latitudes and the longitudes cross each other and form a network. This network is called grid. The grid helps us in locating different places. This time zone and Indian Standard Time you will study in detail in the next year, class 6. I hope you all understood today class. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.